Echo November, Sofia approach identified, Roger, 5 direct here, next point Bagit, Awazur, need 27.
We understood, direct to Arc here, the next point is Bagit, and expecting New Zulu for 27, easy 13 Echo November. We might just have to request a hold somewhere close to the airfield until we did some checks.
Roger, no problem.
Thank you.
How many fuel on board, tankage?
9,300 kilos, easy 13 Echo November.
Roger, thank you. Do you declare emergency or only pan-pan?
Just a pan-pan, easy 13 Echo November.
Roger, are you able to descend now?
Subject to terrain, A-firm, easy 13 Echo November.
No problem to descend 9,000 feet, QNH 1011.
Descend altitude 9,000 feet, QNH 1011, easy 13 Echo November. Second, easy 13 Echo November.
Now descend unrestricted 6,000 feet.
Descend now unrestricted 6,000 feet, easy 13 Echo November.
Easy 13 Echo November, after Archer, descend 4,500 feet, clear hours 127, report established.